Pag madalas mong makita ang isang sasakyan sa daan, good indication yun na mabenta siya. Biruin mo nga naman sa dami ng uri ng sasakyan sa kalye, hindi coincidence na makikita mo ang mga bagong modelo. Pero may mas high-tech tayong paraan dyan. Dito sa Philcoche, hindi mo lang pwedeng tingnan ang specs ng mga bagong sasakyan, pwede ka diretsong mag-inquire sa mga dealer na gusto nyo. And sa ganitong paraan natin nalalaman if may following ba ang isang sasakyan. Depende sa dami ng inquiries niya. I'm your host, Stanley Chi, and this is the top list of the most popular cars on Philcoche. As with the new normal, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. At huwag kalimutang pumunta sa philcoche.com para sa latest news, reviews, and specs ng mga sasakyan sa Pilipinas. Kotse ba? Philcoche na! Simulan natin at number 10 with the Suzuki Dzire. This small sedan starts at 609,000 pesos and sino nga naman ang hindi mapapalingon dito? It has a distinct styling combined with a fuel-efficient powertrain package. Meron itong 1.2-liter engine making 87 horsepower with either a 5-speed manual or Suzuki's proprietary auto gear shift transmission. Yung automatic variant din ito may rear air vents kaya naman hindi nakakapagtaka bakit maraming nagtatanong tungkol dito. Nasa number 9 naman ang Nissan Navara that starts at 1,026,000 pesos. Kahit naman ako, mapapa-inquire sa Navara lalo na nung nakita ko na almost all variants except for the base model received the handsome quad LED automatic projector headlights with LED DRL. Isamang pa ang multi-link rear suspension nito that gives it a smooth ride quality. Talagang di ka magdadalawang isip na magtanong about it. The Suzuki Ertiga comes at number 8 with a price of 853,000 pesos. Hindi nakakapagtaka na kasama ito sa listahan ng most inquired sa Philcoche dahil isa ito sa mga pinaka-affordable 7-seater MPVs in the Philippines. Medyo basic ang amenities ito pero it still comes with an 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto para mas madali ang navigation pag namamasyal with the whole family. May iba na mag-aalanganin dahil naka 4-speed automatic lang ito pero sabi nga ni Martin sa aming full review, magandang response ito. Sa number 7 naman, ang bagong sasakyan ng boss namin, the Honda Brio that starts at 610,000 pesos. Ito ang pinaka-mature looking sa segment niya and the design is unmistakably Honda. Samahan pa ng mas energetic na 1.2-liter engine in this small body at talagang masaya i-drive ang Brio. Kung naghahanap ka ng magandang sasakyan on the budget, hindi kang papahiya dito sa Brio in any variant. Maraming options when it comes to family cars pero isa sa mga pinakamatunog, ang Mitsubishi Expander that starts at 1,050,000 pesos. Biggest attraction pa din ng Expander ang very futuristic design nito na mas na-improve pa dito sa latest facelift niya. It now has T-shaped headlights, a new DRL design, and new dashboard design sa loob. Pero at its core, it remains a very capable 7-seater for the whole family. Kaya naman ito ang number 6 most popular car dito sa Philcoche. Sitting at number 5 is the classic Toyota Innova that starts at 1,186,000 pesos. Ito malabang ang unang pumapasok sa isip ninyo pag sinabing 7-seater. And understandable naman bilang ang tagal na ng Innova dito sa Pilipinas. Pero nagbago na ang Innova dahil hindi na ito puro basic lang. Meron na itong touch of modernity. Available dito ang 7-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, automatic climate control, ambient lighting, and may captain seats pa for the top-of-the-line variant. At number 4 is 5, the MG5 that starts at 658,888 pesos. This is the smaller sedan in MG's lineup and it undercuts its segment in terms of price and features. No wonder mataas ang ranking nito dito sa ating top list. Aside sa contemporary design inside and out, meron itong 10-inch touchscreen with Apple and Android, powered driver's seat, sunroof, and 360-degree camera, among others. Very formidable entry from MG kaya nakaakyat siya to number 4. Oh, podium places na tayo. Ngayon pa lang sasabihin ko na, all 3 finishers are from Toyota. Hindi na nakakapagtaka dahil sila naman ang best-selling car brand in the Philippines. Anyway, number 3 is a pickup. It's the Toyota Hilux that starts at 1,135,000 pesos for the non-fleet models. Syempre nga naman, kung kailangan mo ng pickup for work and play, safe choice ang Toyota Hilux. Aside from being durable, it now also comes with a more intimidating style thanks to the Conquest variants. Very safe din ito dahil available dito ang 7 airbags and 360 camera system which is very useful for these long cars. Second placer sa ating list is none other than the Toyota Vios starting at 681,000 pesos. Hindi naman nakakagulat bilang ito ang overall best-selling car of 2021. With a lot of variants to choose from mula sa fleet models hanggang sa top-of-the-line GRS trim, sigurado na makikita mo ang the one for you. It's available with two engine options, the 1.3 and 1.5, habang transmission is also at 2, 5-speed manual and CVT. Then the GRS trims ay nandyan din for the more sporty fans na gusto ng angas straight from the showroom. And the best-selling car in Philcoche ay ang, drum roll please, ting 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 ting. Parang hindi drum roll yun. The Toyota Wigo with a starting price of 568,000 pesos. Hindi nakapagtataka na ito ang most popular car in Philcoche. Very friendly kasi ang presyo nito for small families and first-time car owners. What's more, the current version of the Wigo is loaded with a lot of modern amenities na wala sa iba in its segment. Available dito ang push start button, power folding side mirrors, touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, at may built-in dashcam pa for the TRD-S variant. Hirap talunin, di ba? At yan ang most popular cars in Philcoche. Remember that you can search for all the specs, pricing, news and reviews of these cars in philcoche.com. At syempre, pag nagustuhan nyo ang nakita nyo, pwede na kayong mag-inquire diretso. So paano ba yan? I'm your host, Stanley Chi, ang inyong senpai ng turbuhan na nagpapaalala sa inyong lahat na i-follow ako sa aking mga social media accounts. Meron akong Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and Kumu. At mag-subscribe rin kayo sa aking YouTube channel, youtube.com/StanleyChi. Tulungan nyo naman ako magkaroon ng 100,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Meron akong podcast, Underpaid with Stanley Chi. Kinig na at mag-subscribe. So paano ba yan? Kita-kits tayo sa next video, dito lang sa Philcoche. Bye-bye! Thanks for watching! For the latest news, reviews, and anything you want to know about cars and car ownership, visit philcoche.com. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Spotify para hindi ka huli sa usapan. Tandaan, kotse ba? Philcoche na!